Street chatter, Nimesh joins us to tell us what is he picking up in terms of the flows and how trade setup is. Nimesh?
Nigel, looks like this last 30-minute MOC is playing out. It was part of my graphics as well that in the last 30 minutes, I'm expecting a small MOC buy, especially in the Nifty name. So I guess that explains a bit of uptake in the large cap Nifty stocks in today's trade. But otherwise, in general, it's been a mixed day of trade. I think it's the earnings which is reacting across the street, whether it's bank stocks, whether it's the likes of Reliance as well. So today, banking stocks are leading the way, but even within that, it's a mixed day. Large private banks are doing good, but the smaller mid-cap banks have actually underperformed on the back of weak quarter one earnings. From a flow perspective, as I said, there is a small MOC buy in Nifty name, so that explains the last move in the Nifty in the last 30 minutes of trade. And in general, metals have done well today on the back of strong commodity prices globally. But net, I guess it's earnings which is impacting a lot of reactions and a lot of stocks as well. And that's going to be the trend, at least in the near term. We have Infosys day after, and that's a big bellwether to watch out for. So again, IT has seen some bit of pullback in today's market. But today, I think the big sector of the day is clearly the financials. And within that, large private bank stands out.
Okay, all right, but plenty of chatter. Nimesh, what are you picking up today?
Well, so the first stock on my list is UPL, United Phosphorus. That's been buzzing in trade. In fact, in the last couple of days, it has actually outperformed overall markets as well. And the flows have picked up from larger FIs is what I understand. But for UPL, apart from the earnings, the next big trigger would be a potential corporate development. Essentially, the buzz is that there could be restructuring of business within UPL going forward. So that's a big trigger there. The second stock is Reliance Industries. While the stock is reacting to a little bit of weak earnings, but there is a small MOC buy is what I understand at a leading FI desk today. So expect some bit of recovery in Reliance as well in the last 30 minutes. The third stock, a couple of stocks where there is delivery-based selling. Shriram Finance within the FNO stock and South Indian Bank. These are the two names which stands out in terms of delivery-based selling at an FI desk today. So expect high delivery volumes there. And the last is JSW Infra. A bit of accumulation has started is what I understand. So there are small buy flows. But I understand a domestic mutual fund has been aggressively accumulating at current levels in JSW Infra.
Okay, all right, got it. So plenty of action. Thanks for that. And indeed, we'll have to watch out for the delivery stats on Reliance as well, given the stock's been down over 3%. Thank you for that, Nimesh. Well, we've